Hello guys, I have a video for you where we did some test results on sound on our 2014 Winnebago Sunstar, and we've done a few things to try to reduce the noise, and I don't have a before test, but I thought I would run this. This was on Interstate 84 out of Massachusetts into Pennsylvania, and I did 2 or 3 spots, and this was the results. This is it idle. This is at 70 miles an hour on a so-so expressway. The picture of this rating at 74 decibels was at 65 miles an hour on a decent road, so it didn't have a lot of bumps and stuff in it. This was about the best sound that I could get on a smooth road at 65. This is at 56, getting ready to go up a hill. It's 4th gear. Our test results. The expressways were decent. They weren't smooth. It'll run about 74 in 5th gear at 65 decibels if it's a smooth runway and our expressway. On the rough road, if it's rough and if you hit that 2nd gear doing 60, it'll be 85 decibels. That's pretty much where it's run. But I'm going to keep that and see if that improves, if I can improve on that any. I wished I had the original when we very first got it, because it seems like it was a lot noisier before we did a lot of the stuff. If anybody has any sound ratings on their original coach, that'd be great. Maybe you could share them. Anyway, if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments.